Let's learn how to create article templates with Choicely. Create an article from scratch. You can follow the steps to creating an article in another video. Finally, save it as a template from the blue Save as Template button and give the template a name. When you want to use the template you created, go to Articles and Create Article. On the top left, you'll see a Use Article Template option. Click it and select your template on the list. Now you'll see your article template. Edit your article content and save it as a new article. If you won't finish your editing right away, it is advisable to at least change the article headline, the article title, and thumbnail on the left, so you can find your article on the article list later and avoid mix-ups. Now you can start creating your own templates with Choicely.